FEFLOW 10 brings expanded capabilities for building 3D unstructured meshes. Alongside the existing workflow that uses geometry from map files, you can now manually prepare your project. We're introducing a new 3D data structure called SMH3D, designed with a geology-focused concept. The Supermesh now includes blocks in its description, enabling a more intuitive approach. This new data structure delivers a dramatic performance boost, at least 100 times faster than the previous XML format. Surfaces are always triangulated. Whether you import an older project or build new geometries manually, tessellation is applied on the fly. To ensure the validity of 3D Supermesh blocks, use Geode's Repair Surfaces tool. This algorithm accurately processes project data to validate the blocks. Blocks, defined as collections of surfaces, can also include properties to control mesh refinement. With the new 3D structure, you can seamlessly combine explicit methods to repair or re-triangulate surfaces with our new implicit modeling workflow. Once your boundary representation is ready, it's time to mesh. The Geode-powered tetrahedral mesh generator now features multiple enhancements. The mesh refinement can be controlled at multiple levels, globally, by block, or even by individual surfaces within a block. Take your mesh building to the next level with FEFLOW 10.